While Samsung Pay is okay in its own right, Google Pay is more widely available and already has my card info from my Google Play purchases, and it probably has yours, too. That makes setting up Google Pay on the Galaxy Watch 4, the best Android smartwatch around, an absolute breeze. Open the Google Play app on your Galaxy Watch 4. Tap the search icon. Speak or type Google Pay. Tap the send search icon. Tap Google Pay. Tap install. Tap open. If you already have Google Pay set up on your phone, your card will automatically import, and you're done. If you need to enter a card manually, tap the plus icon. Switch to your phone. Tap add a new card. Tap enter details manually. Enter your card info. Tap save. If your bank asks, verify your identity with a two-factor code. Tap done.